Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Taslima Maya Art. It's really lovely to have you here. Do check out my other videos, and if you can, like, share and subscribe to support me. I'd like to give a massive shout out to all my wonderful viewers who are regularly watching me, as well as the people who've just joined me recently and have started to watch my channel. I have many mixed media pieces as well as different types of acrylic pouring techniques, so do please check out my other videos if you can. And welcome to this week's Fluid Art Express. Today I have a real treat for you. I'm paint pouring with my kids with a reverse flower dip on a lilac base. What you actually see here is not the pour that I'm going to do today. It's a pour I did before, the one I did with my children, one who is aged 2.5 and one who's aged 4.5, Sophia and Soraya. And this one you see here is a flower cloud or cloud flower that I poured just before the one I'm about to do.
We're making paint with you! Yes!
What are you doing?
We're making paint with you!
You're making paint with me?
Yeah.
Good girl. Have you mixed that up properly? Have you?
Yeah.
Good girl.
I need a bit more now. Oh, I need a bit more.
Let your sister have a go. Sophia. Sophia, can you let your sister have a go?
One last try.
Okay, one last try. That's very good. Let your sister have a go, please.
Okay, here you go, Sarah. Can you paint over?
Give it a mix.
I'll hold it in case you drop it.
You're very good together. Right, shall we get painting?
Yeah!
Okay, so we're going to start painting together. Say hi, Sarah.
Hi,
Hi. Say hi, Safi.
Hi.
Good girl. Right, let's do this. Now, what colour is this, do you think?
Purple! Purple!
It's like a light, dusky pink, isn't it? Lovely, kind of bubblegum pink. It's very light. Purple is more this colour. Okay? So, what are we going to do with this? Shall we pour it all over the canvas?
Yeah!
Shall we spell your names?
No!
No. There's S, A, R, A. That's your name. And then let's do Sophia's name. S, A, F, and then I. Look at that. Now, let's put a bit more down. We're going to spread it out all over the canvas, okay? Do you want to help me spread it out?
Yeah, me first.
Okay, I'm not going to let you pour it, but I will let you spread it with a palette knife, okay? So 1 second, give me a moment. Watch me do it first of all. I'm going to push it to the middle, and then push it to the middle. And then you can do the edges for me, girls, okay?
Okay.
Right, who wants to go first?
Me!
Okay, 1 second.
Okay,
Right.
Mum.
Here you go, love. Good
Just
girl.
do one.
Now do it very softly. I'll show you how. Yeah, right to the edge. And the other way, right to the edge. Now you'd have a go. Yeah, don't dig it in too much. Very softly. Very good. Well done, my love. Now it's Sarah's turn. And Sarah is 2.5. So here's little Sarah. Good girl. Sarah's a natural. That's really good, Sarah. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Good girl. Excellent. Let Mummy finish it off for you, my love. Okay. Shall we push it right to the edge?
I'll do this bit.
You want to do that bit? Yep,
Yeah.
of course you can. Very good. You, my love, are a natural. Let's just keep the canvas in one place so we can see.
Natural too?
You are a natural too.
Oops.
Do you want to be a painter when you grow up?
Yeah.
What else do you want
I
to
want
do?
to be an artist too.
Do you? We're not using that yet, sweetheart. We'll use that in a minute, love. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, I'm just going to smooth it out though, just in case there's any bits that are not smooth. See, we can.
You use my marbles.
I can use your marbles.
Yeah.
Yeah. When we do a marble painting, I can use your marbles. That's really kind of you to offer.
Yeah.
You're really kind, Sarah. You're the kindest baby I know.
Mummy, just for me a picnic set.
Oh yeah, your little set. Yeah, that's a spoon from your little play set. They're very useful for painting. Okay, now we're ready. Okay, we're going to do the next bit.
Just sit down.
Okay, love. Away from this now and stay safe. Good girl. You can come back as soon as I've done this bit. But what we're doing is we're getting rid of all the bubbles on the surface of the paint, because you just both mixed this paint up, remember? A second ago you both did it, so it means there's lots of bubbles. I put that away now, safe away from you. It's nowhere near you, okay?
Do we need that now?
We don't need that yet, sweetheart. Okay, let's start then, girls.
Are you good? Why are you doing hundreds of painting?
We'll start with purple.
Okay.
No, we'll start with the white.
Yeah, she started with white.
Let's just do it with the normal white. Shall we? The titanium white and not the pearl colours. What do you think?
Pearl colours.
You want a pearl?
Yeah, I want a pearl.
Okay, we'll add a little bit of pearl in a minute. Let's just push this. Do a big circle. Is that big enough for you?
Yes.
Sarah, what do you think?
I think my head will fit in there.
Your head would fit in there?
Yeah.
Why would you want your head to fit in there? Red?
Yeah! I want red.
What colour do you want next?
Oh, I know. Orange.
No, but I think we're not going to have orange in this one because we haven't got much left of that. Try one of these others. How about purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let's see if there's any left in there. They're running out, aren't they?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. Would one of you like, Safi, would you like to have a go?
Yes.
Okay, let's put you can put the pink down. I'm going to help you. I'm going to squeeze the bottle. Hold it upside down.
Okay.
Because it's a very, use this one hand, sweetheart. Okay, and then I'm going to help you. Whoa, that's very good, Sophia. Okay,
It's
let's go.
rainbow one.
Yeah, now Sarah, would you like to have a go? Would you like white again?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do white. I'll do the white and I'll let you do the
Is
red.
that pearly?
Because the white is very hard to control. It's a little bit runnier than the others. Soraya is going to do the red, so you're going to have to stand a bit closer, my love. Wait, Pepperton. No, not ready. When you're ready, I'm going to help you.
I can see properly.
Okay, that's an interesting one. Okay, now we're going to, well done. Good girl. Move over here again to me so I can get in the middle. And then what colour's next? Purple. Would you like to?
Yes.
Okay.
Purple.
Okay, keep your hand steady. You can do green.
Yeah. You can put any green in.
I'm not sure I will add any green. I might do. What do you girls think?
No. Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, one says no, one says yes. So who do we go with? Sarah says yes, she wants green. And you said no. Right, should we add a little bit more white?
Yeah. Oh, I wanted a pearly colour one.
Yeah, I'm not going to add any pearly one in this one. That's already got pearl medium anyway. So what comes after white is the red again. So maybe I'll just do the rest. Okay. And then after the red, it's purple, I think.
I'm going to do the purple.
Okay, just hold it for me. I'll help you. Okay, these circles are getting very, very wonky, aren't they?
Yeah.
They look a bit funny. And we need a bit of pink. It's going to have a bit of a lopsided flower, maybe. What comes after pink, girls? White?
Yep. Oh, it's too smaller.
And let's actually add a little bit of gold in this, shall we?
Yeah.
It's going to be hard because I'm going to have to tip it and it's not very fluid at the moment. It's going to be a little bit tricky because Mummy hasn't really stirred it or anything. Shall I put a little bit in the middle?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that was a bit too much maybe. Let's put some around the edges.
Yeah.
It's very thick actually. Whoops. It's a little bit thick this colour.
Sunny day today.
It's a lovely sunny day, my love. You want to go out in a minute?
Yeah. Yeah. I want to go to the park.
Okay, let's do that.
Can I wear my unicorn shoes today?
Yeah, of course you can.
Okay.
You can see your painting.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's beautiful, Sarah's little Christmas tree painting. That's really pretty.
And remember I did a bunny rabbit?
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't remember that one. Okay, so we've done that now. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop some more bubbles. So stand a little bit back. It's all right. You're safe. Oh, honestly, you're very safe. I'm not going to let anything happen to you. You're very safe. It's done now. It just takes 2 seconds.
What?
It's done now. I'll put that away. And what we're going to do is we're just going to... no, I'll do this bit, love. It's a little bit tricky. Okay, so we're just going to... No, can you just watch what I'm doing now so you can learn? So we're going to move that all the way to the middle. Well, maybe that was a bit too deep. Whoops. Mommy went a bit deep with that, didn't she?
Yeah.
Whoops. I'll try and do it on the surface next time.
We need a rubber band.
You need another one?
Yeah.
I'm going to do them all to the edges. I'm not sure how this is going to work out. How do you think this is going to work out? Not yet. No, 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 no. You're not dipping that in yet, love. We'll do. You can have a go in a minute. Okay, I'll let you do one each.
Ooh.
And then another one here. Stay. No. I know you can reach, but it's not time for you to do it yet, my love. Mommy has to do it first, and then you to do it right at the end, okay? So we don't mess up our flower.
My favourite picture is all of them.
What, the paintings?
Yeah.
That's nice. Have you got a specific favourite though?
Yeah.
Which one?
The horse.
The horse.
Yeah, and the mermaid.
Oh, okay. Now we need like a smaller one. We've got a smaller little paintbrush or something. We've got a paintbrush. Oh, actually, these are perfect. Look.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't even think of using the end of the paintbrush. I'm just going to push these out.
Mommy, you doing same. Can I have a little go?
Yeah, of course you can. Let me just finish these big ones at the top, then you can have your go. Oops, I've got to be careful because I'm going too deep with it. See, Mummy's going a little bit too deep with it. So I'm going to let you do one, and Sarah can do one as well. We've got a lot of gold by here by accident, see? Oops, messed that up. We've got a bit of too much gold here. Here, I don't know what to do.
See me in the picture.
You what?
See Daddy on you.
There we go. Now it's your turn, girls. So I'm going to give you one each. You can have a go first, Sarah. And we are just going to... I'm going to show you what to do. Don't dig in too much, okay? Very softly. Mummy will help you. Well, 1 minute. There we go, Sarah. Wipe that off. Now it's Affa's turn, please. Your big sister's turn. Here you go. Right. Mummy will help you very gently. That's good. That's looking great, girls. Right, who's ready for the next bit?
Me.
Let's just add a little drop of gold in the middle.
Okay.
Thick. Oh, there we go.
Oh, look, I said we had a bit of pink. A bit.
You want a bit of pink?
Yeah.
What, in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I want a bit of purple.
And a bit of purple.
Now do your purple.
No, it's quite hard in the middle, love. It's very hard to get right in the middle. So we'll wait. Okay, I think that's okay. And then maybe a tiny bit of red, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, I know you're both so excited to do everything, but we have to wait. So that's done. Let's torch it last time, then we're gonna...
Okay. Wow.
That's perfect, isn't it? Shall we see what happens now?
Yeah.
Should we put any green leaves on?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just gonna do them a little bit, okay? Okay.
I know how to do a leaf.
Do you?
Yeah.
I know you do. You're the best at leaves. 1 minute, I'm just going to pop some of this on. I know we haven't put any of this pearlescent colour in, but let's see what happens with it. We don't want too much. It just comes out a lot in this. It does come out a lot of this bowl. Maybe I squeeze it too much, I don't know. Oh, it's quite tricky, isn't it?
Let's put a bit on the flower.
Okay, all around, yeah, right at the edge. So we can try and get some of those pearl cells on the edge. And a tiny bit maybe in the middle. There we go. That's perfect now, girls. And let's do the next bit. Okay, so we haven't got a wet tissue paper. It's all right, we don't need that. So I'm gonna put this on. You're gonna count down to 5. Say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and Mommy will get it on. I hope. Ah, okay.
1,
no, not ready.
2,
Go, come on.
3, 4, 5, 6. No, 7. We start with 5. 5, 4, 2,
3. Where's the 3 gone?
1. 0.
Done it.
0.
Puppy, you done it. Clap, everyone.
Now we have to
Okay.
take it off.
No, I have to smooth it down a little bit because there's lots of air bubbles. No, love, don't press it down too much.
I'll do it a bit.
No, girls, you have to literally just really softly touch it. Don't press it too hard.
I can do it softly.
No, I think this is a hard bit. This is for adults now, okay? Stop it, Sarah. Keep pushing it, Sarah.
I can make it softly.
Wait, this is my turn, okay? Now wait, you kids are crazy.
I can do it really
No,
fast.
because I can see lots of pockets of air, so I might have to get a pin. Has anyone got a pin here to actually puncture it? So I can see pockets of air. This is probably not the best material. I can't even puncture it. It's blunt. Ah! Okay. Ah! This is not easy. See all the bubbles stuck in there? This is not easy, is it? I'm not going to use this material again. We're going to get a kitchen towel next time. Okay, that at least that works well. I know you girls really want to do this, but this bit's the tricky bit. When you're a little bit older, I'll let you do this bit, okay? Or maybe we can just do one canvas each, a little canvas for you.
I think we should take it off now.
Do you?
Yeah.
But I don't think it's really touching it yet. I can see little pockets of air. See, especially in the middle. I'm trying to get all the pockets of air out. Whoa, that way.
Pockets.
Pockets. Little bits of like bubbles stuck in between. Do you know what a pocket of air is?
No.
It's when air is trapped in between this sheet and the painting. And that means that it's not touching the painting. Now it's better. It's coming out. There's one big bubble there, see? And some here. Can you see them?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they
I
are.
can't see them.
You can't see them?
Yeah.
Is that okay? So what's your favourite colour, Sarah? Tell us your favourite colour, love.
It's red.
Really?
Yeah.
It's my favourite too. And what's your favourite colour?
You're red.
Really? Are you copying me?
No.
No? Right, now we're going to do the difficult bit.
That's a paintbrush.
Yeah, that's a paintbrush, my love.
And it's another paintbrush.
It's a big paintbrush. Right, everyone ready? Say, Mummy, go very slow.
Mommy, don't play so.
And do it very gently. And don't be nervous. Okay, let's take it to the middle. We're very slowly going to take it to the middle. And the other end and grab it in the middle. Then I'm going to grab this bit in the middle. Then I'm going to grab, where's the other corner? This bit in the middle. Now I've got them all in the middle and it's very hard to hold these.
Oh, look, it's dripping. Look, there's a bit of drips here. Look.
It's all right, love. It doesn't matter if we're 1, 2, 3. Whoopee!
Wow! Beautiful!
Is it?
Beautiful. We found it, made it. Yay!
What did you say? You find it amazing?
Yes! Now, can I put it on a wall?
It's not done yet, love. I'm waiting for it to develop, and then once it's developed, I'll put my finger in the middle. I'm just trying to get it to develop a little bit.
Can we count how much painting it is?
Yeah, of course you can, love.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Of course you can. Here you go, love.
12, 13, 14,
Yeah?
18, 20, 11, 20.
What's 11? 11, 19, 20, 21, love. What number were you on?
21,
Yeah.
22,
Yeah.
23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
Look at what you two made. Look at it. It's beautiful. That's Sophia and Soraya's contribution to flower dips. Can you see it? Look what you made. Isn't it really pretty? There's gold on the outside. There's white pearl cells everywhere. And there's lots of layers. See all the petals?
Yeah.
And even the leaves look really pretty. It's really good. Well done, girls. You did an amazing job. You can paint with me again. Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me in this episode of my daughters and I collaborating on a reverse flower dip. We really enjoyed creating this piece and having a bit of fun along the way. I do hope you like it. It is a stunning piece actually. It's better than the one I did last time, which is interesting, but if you look at all the beautiful colours and the golds and some of the pearls that have celled up, it's really, really pretty. And I'm so proud of it. I'm proud of them for having helped me make this. It's a beautiful little memory. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're after the ratios and recipe, please check out video number 53 where I do cover this. Please stay with us on the Fluid Art Express as Venom Fluid Art is next. Thanks and bye for now.